Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I want to do a weight loss update with you guys. So if you are interested in a weight loss video, please do stay tuned. And before I get into that, I just want to advise that I do have a new blog post for you to check out. Is my 5 baby products that I've used from birth to 2 years of age with our daughter, and that will be linked below for you to check out. My blog is ourishfamily.com. Also, I have a Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, and the links to those will be in the description for you to check out as well. So I have done one previous weight loss update, and that was on the 19th of April. So I joined Slimming World on the 15th of March, and up to the 19th of April I had lost 8 pounds within that 5 weeks, those 5 weigh days. So now I have been going to Slimming World for 11 weeks, and to date I have lost 12.5 pounds. So I just have wrote down the kind of the stats of that. So as I said, up to the 19th of April I had lost 8 pounds. The following week, the 26th of April, I lost a pound. The 3rd of May I lost a half a pound. The 10th of May I lost 1 pound. On the 17th of May, for the very first time I put on weight, and I put on a half a pound. Last week, the 24th of May, I lost 2 pounds, and then this week, today, I lost a half a pound, making the total 12.5 pounds in 11 weeks. So I'm a little bit annoyed because you know, recently, especially for the whole month of May, I've just been kind of falling off the wagon a little bit. I'm not doing what I'm supposed to do as per the plan, and the plan, Slimming World states that you should have 1/3 speed on your plate. And ideally you're supposed to eat your speed first and then fill up with the rest of your dinner, because that way, you know, you're taking those speed calories, and then if you leave some behind, it's not a big deal, you know. And I haven't really been doing that, so I need to get back in the jam of doing that. But what I have been doing is I have been tracking, and even when I go over, it has helped me it's helped me understand, you know, you're allowed 15 sins per day. Some days I'd have 18, 19, 20 sins, and at least I know and I'm held accountable by myself that it is something that I'm kind of sabotaging myself with, you know. So definitely tracking helps me stay on track for it. But overall 12.5 pounds, I'm happy. And I also did my measurements. So my measurements, the first ones I took were on the 29th of March, so it was like 2 weeks in essentially. So it was like my second proper weigh day, because the first day you join, you just get your start weight, and then obviously the next week, and it was the week after that, you know, so 3rd week or 2nd week, whichever way you want to say it. So I'll just give you my measurements. So my hips, from my hips I lost 1/2 inch to date, from the 29th to today, which I think is 9 weigh days. So in the 9 weeks I've lost 1/2 inch, which obviously isn't ideal. My waist, I've lost 1.5 inches in 9 weeks. From around my belly button area, I lost 2.5 pounds, 2.5 inches. From my chest, so around my boobs, I've lost 1.5 inches. And what's funny is I've only measured my left arm and my left leg. So from my left arm I've lost 1/2 inch, and from my left thigh, my upper thigh, I've lost 1 inch. So in total, from my left arm, my left leg, my waist, my belly, my chest, and my hips, I have lost 7.5 inches in the 11 weeks I've been tracking that. which, you know, I'm pretty happy with. I'm not really noticing it so much. Robert has told me that he can see definitely that I have lost the inches. What's funny is I keep saying my boobs are getting bigger, but in actual fact my chest has lost 1.5 inches around it. So, you know, obviously my back fat is shrinking. So yeah, as I said, it has been 11 weeks, and in that 11 weeks I've lost 12.5 pounds and 7.5 inches essentially. Probably a little bit more because I didn't actually do my measurements on the day I joined. It was 2 weeks later. So overall I am happy, happy-ish with the weight loss. There's definitely so much more I can do, so I really need to kind of like buckle down this month and get to it, you know. Just not sabotage myself is really something that I'm going to have to work on, you know. So I've done in Slimming World they give you this kind of like for and against, and it's basically where you sit down and you reflect why you want to be slim and what it's holding you back from being slim. So that was kind of eye-opening to me. I kind of learned ways that I was sabotaging myself, and one of those ways was that if people point out to me that I've lost weight, instantly in my mind I kind of think, well, okay, you know, I'm complete now. I've lost weight, people have noticed, so there you go. Everything is okay, I don't need to lose any more weight. And that's not why I want to do this. Why I want to do this is obviously I want to lose weight for myself. I'm also hoping, because I have PCOS, that it will kind of like kickstart a cycle. It will help me like ovulate, that sort of stuff, you know, and just to feel better about myself, because right now I am pretty self-conscious about clothes that I wear and so forth. So yeah, definitely a long way to go, and I will be updating you again on after the last Thursday of June. So let's see how that goes. If you liked today's video, please do give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you are new. I do, if you are interested in Slimming World or weight loss type videos, I do have a what I eat in a day video coming up very soon. Also some lunches that I make specifically, also recipes, and again, as I said, at the end of the month I will update you on my progress again. So thank you so much for watching. If you are on a weight loss journey, I would love to know how you're getting on. It doesn't have to be Slimming World, it can be any weight loss journey. Let me know in the comments below. Again, as I said at the start, I do have a blog for you to check out, or irishfamily.com, and there is a range of blog posts that you can check out that are different from the content I upload here on YouTube. Also I have an Instagram, a Twitter and a Facebook, and I'd love if you follow me on those socials as well. So that's it guys, I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.